this thing on? Hello? Hello? Oh, hi there. Welcome to Mrs. Brown's desk. I'd like to introduce you to a few of my friends. Are you ready? So this is Tutu, and this is Tutu, and this here is Tutu, and yes, this over here is also Tutu. In case you didn't know, Mrs. Brown's very fluffy white little mini poodle's name is Tutu, so I have little figurines of her everywhere because I love her. So now that you've seen all of my Tutu statues, you can now look at my glorious pin collection. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. And now you're gonna look at my whiteboard because that's what we're about to use. So this is your daily review for August 18th, 2020. And here we go. So, for today, what did we do? Well, the very first thing we did is we talked about our big book, Jack's Talent. Now, I want you thinking about what your talent is. Some of you commented below the video today, yesterday, and I was so excited to see that some of you were taking care of your pet snakes, some of you were taking care of your dogs, some of you had artistic talents and singing talents. I love hearing about your talents, so keep messaging me, keep letting me know what you're good at. I love hearing about it. So, we talked about Jack's Talent again, and we also talked about the parts of the book. We also talked about different sounds. We talked about the short A, the consonant M, and the S. So remember, short A makes the ah sound. M makes the sound. And the S makes the S sound. So, let's think here. What words could we make with these sounds? What about, we've done cat. Let's not do cat. We did cat today and yesterday. How about, mad. Now, you know what? I could write this over here too. Add. And let's go down here. Sad. So we have a few different sounds here, but they're all the same. We have the sound, and the sound, and the s sound, and the d sound. We're going to be going over this one this week too. So let's sound these out. D, mad. We need to make sure we are bringing those letters together. Just because you can sound them out individually does not mean that you are an excellent reader. Excellent readers bring those sounds together to make the words. So let's try the next one. Again, d, mad. Oh, and here's this one. D, sad. Yep. So those are our sounds today that we worked on. The s. And we didn't work on d, but that's just an added bonus for the daily review. And next up, what did we do? What did we do? Well, we worked on writing sentences. Oops. We worked on writing sentences using the words I and like and to, am, see. Any others? Am I missing any others? Oh, the. So we use these words to create sentences. So I made I blank, you know what? I should put it again. Mermaid. Now, we talked about how we could plug in, which means take this sound or take this word and put it into the blank and see if it fits. So let's give that a try. I, a mermaid? That's not one that will work. I like a mermaid? That could work. It's not the best sentence, but it could work. I, to a mermaid? No, that doesn't make sense. I am a mermaid? Shh, don't tell my secret. That will work. I see a mermaid? That could work too. I, a mermaid? That one doesn't make sense. So we talked about how if we did have several options that would fit in there, you can just choose whatever's best. If you were writing a story, you would want to choose the word that fits your story. As for now, I'm going to write, I see a mermaid. And that's how we started working on our sentences today. Now, for math, we talked about cubes and spheres. If you missed that video, you missed out because we discovered that spheres can't stack. Nope, they can't. They sure can't stack, but cubes can. So I'm going to draw a cube to remind you what it looks like. If you hold up that dice that I gave you at our parent-teacher or Meet the Teacher conference, you'll have a real-life cube in your hand. So your cubes look like this. Remember, they have edges. They have, sorry, I forgot what I was trying to say. They have edges, they have their faces, they have the corners or the vertex. And so, what about the sphere? Does the sphere have any of that? It's kind of hard to draw a 3D sphere. Mrs. Brown is not a good artist. That is not my talent. So, my sphere. It looks just kind of like a circle, but really just imagine it's round like a basketball. Does the sphere have any edges or faces or vertices? Nope. And that's how we know the difference between a cube and a sphere. All right, so now that we have finished our daily review, what we're going to do is I'm going to end with a story. Now, our story for today is called First Day Jitter.